cut, copy, paste, and paste in place. In Flash, we can cut, copy, and paste and perform various types of pasting. Place one object on the stage. Select the object and go to Edit and choose Cut. Very good. Again, go to Edit and select Paste in the center option. Paste in center will paste the cut object in the center of the stage. Now next we'll see about the Paste in Place option. This option will paste the object in its original location from where it has been cut. So go to Edit and choose Paste in Place option. This is the difference between Paste in Center and Paste in Place option. Last, we have Paste Special. Now this option allows us to paste the cut-copied object as a Flash object or a bitmap image. Fine, now go to Edit and select Paste Special option, and we'll get a dialog box for this option. In that, select the desired option as Flash Drawing or Device Independent Bitmap. We also have Paste Link option. This option will be enabled if we copy an image from another application and paste it into Flash. If we select Flash Drawing option, it will insert the object of the clipboard into our document as editable Flash Drawing. If we select Device Independent Bitmap option, it will insert the object of the clipboard into our document as Device Independent Bitmap. Now select Device Independent Bitmap and click OK to paste the object. Now the object is a bitmap image, so just drag and place it anywhere. Finally, we can discuss about the Copy option. Copy will maintain the original object and create duplicate copies of the same object. Select the object, go to Edit and choose Copy. Right-click on the stage and choose Paste option. And there you have Cut, Copy, and Paste option in Flash CS4. Using this option, we can cut, copy, and paste our object in the desired place.